This is my week 12 project to create a CRD application using JSON server, using a fetch wait, create and post new entities, delete an entity, include a way to get them from the API, display them, and we can use Bootstrap and CSS. So here's my HTML where I just laid out how I wanted all of the elements to be displayed. And as you can see, this is what it then looks like. I got these little icons from this website here. And then as I go over to the actual weather app, this add location right here is kind of a start button. So it kind of kicks off multiple applications. It gets the data from two different APIs, one for like some weather and then another forecast from the weatherapi.com. And then it not only puts it on the page here, but then creates kind of a log here of all of the cities that have been displayed. So if you were to type in Phoenix, Arizona, add location, it gives you all of the information from the API and then creates a little pill here for you to know where you visited. You can reset it, select a different city anywhere in the world, add the location, gives you that information, and then creates another pill here for you as well. This is the save location is where the actual I'm telling it to create that. So it's moving it over here to this DB.json. You can see the first one was Phoenix, second one was Seoul. And then this is where it saves that, creates that post onto this mock API here. It then creates, this is where it creates the pill and gives it the different classes and IDs. I then put it into the pill container. This is the listening object. So when I go to click, I double click on the pill and it deletes it. It not only deletes the pill here, which is this event target remove, but it also, you can see, has been removed from the DB.json file. This is where I'm actually getting the information from the weather API. So there were, like I said, there was two APIs. I had to create an API key, and then I gave it another query, which was the location, which we're getting through this input. And then the same thing down here for the forecast data, because some of that information came from two different APIs. And then this is where, when you're done with what you have here, you can reset it, and then it will be ready for another one, but it still remembers where you went. So you can have as many pills here as you visited. And then when you're done looking at all the information, double click on the pill, removes it from the page, removes it from your JSON file, and it's set and ready for you to do again. I did a little bit of extra CSS just for some aesthetics. So we're pulling from an API, creating, deleting, and all of that.